Hello students, welcome again in the continuation of e-learning classes. Today we will discuss the plant Kutaj. Introduction. Kutaj is a medium-heighted glabrous tree and it is commonly available in tropical parts of India. The name Kutaj is came from the term Kut. The Kut means hills and this plant is grows in hilly areas and that's why it is given the name Kutaj. So it is abundantly available or grows in sub-Himalayan tract. Botanically, it is named as Hollerina antidysenterica. It is used in treating diarrhea, irritable bowel syndrome. And this is one of the significant herb used with great property to treat amoebic dysentery and other gastric disorders. Sharangdhar placed Kutaj in Stambhana Dravya and Ashtang Hriday considered this plant as best in Raktarsh. Raktarsh, that means bleeding piles. Latin name or botanical name is Hollerina antidysenterica. Family Apocynaceae. In Hindi, it is called kurchi or kuda. In English, it is known as kurchi bark tree or conesi bark tree. Some vernacular names are given. In Assamese, Dudhkuri, in Bengali, Karachi or Kurchi, Gujarati Kudo or Kuda, Kannada Korachi or Halagatti, in Malayalam Kodagapala or Kutakapala, in Marathi Kuda or Andhra Kuda, in Punjabi Kura or Kenara, in Tamil Vippalai or Kuda Sapalai, in Telugu Kodi Sapala or Kodaga. According to the Bhav Prakash Nighantu, the synonyms are Kutajah, Kutajah, Kautau, Vatsakau, Giri Mallika, Kalinga, Shakra Shakhi cha Mallika Pushpa Ityapi. Indro Yavafala Prokto Vrikshaka Pandur Druma. So some synonyms are according to Bhavat Prakash Nighantu, Kutaj, it is already clear that it is grows in hilly areas, that's why it is given the name Kutaj. Vatsak, according to the availability of particular region, the Vatsak region, that's why it is given the name Vatsak. So it grows the hilly areas of Vatsak Pradesh. Next is Giri Mallika. Giri means hill, Mallika, the one of the plant we can know as jasmine. So the flower of this kutaj, the aroma of the flower of this kutaj is very much similar to the jasmine or mallika. And kutaj is available in Giri, that means hills. That's why it is given the name Giri Mallika. Next is Kaling, again according to the region, according to the availability of particular area. Kalinga Pradesh. Nowadays, Kalinga Pradesh is the state Orissa. So, it grows the hilly areas of Kalinga Pradesh. That's why it is given the name Kalinga. Next is Shakra Shakhi. Shakra Shakhi because of the presence of gregarious branches. It has a gregarious branches. That's why it is given the name Shakra Shakhi. Mallika Pushpa. Again, the flower is very much similar, specifically the aroma. The flower, aroma of the Kutaj flower is similar to the jasmine. That's why Mallika Pushpa. Next is Indra. It refers to synonyms of Lord Indra. Yava Phala, because the uh, seed of this kutaj is similar to the yava or jaw. That's why yava phala. Yava, that means barley. Next is Pandur Druma. Again, Pandur and Druma, two words are here. Pandur means pale in color or light shade color, and Druma means plant. So the bark of the kutaj is lightish brown or grayish brown. That's why it is given the name Pandur Druma. Now the classical categorization. Charak has included this plant in Arshogna Mahakashaya. Arshogna, that is, these all plants are helpful in treatment of the arsh or piles. Kandugna Mahakashaya, Kandu means itching. So Kandugna means to treat the itching problem. So it is useful in itching or the skin disorder. Sanya Shodhan Mahakashaya, purification of milk. Asthapanopaga Mahakashaya. Asthapan is one of the karma, and this drug is helpful in the Asthapan karma. So, Asthapanopaga Mahakashaya. Shishrut has included this plant in Aragvadhadigana, Pipalyadigana, Haridradigana, and Lakshadigana. Now, the distribution. The plant is found throughout the country, and the Himalayan forest up to 1200 meter, mainly in Orissa, Assam, UP in India, and tropical and subtropical region of Asia and Africa. Morphology, it is an evergreen tree with beautiful white flowers. It is a small to medium heighted tree. So we can see the picture of kutaj. It is clear that this is not so much high. It's a medium heighted evergreen tree. This is the bark of kutaj. The bark is rough and grayish brown in color. And now the leaves. The leaves of kutaj are simple, opposite and ovate, oblong in shape, and entire margin is present, smooth and petiolate. And the base of the leaves is obtuse. Flowers. The flowers are small in size and color of the flower is white, and it is present in cluster form in terminal corymbocyme. And aroma of this flower is very much similar to the jasmine. Calyx lobe is oblong, lanceolate and acute, and corollas are puberulous, round at the apex. This is the fruit. We can see that the fruits are present in pairs. So always in paired, elongated and curved, and cylindrical too. And the length is 15 to 35 centimeter. And this is parallel coriaceous with dotted white spot. Now we can see the seed of the kutaj. The seed is specifically given the name. Seed is known as Indrayava. Okay, so the seeds are flat and it is present numerous in number, linear, oblong, and 8 mm long. Chemical constituents. It contains alkaloids, fats, tannins, and resins. And some alkaloids are conacin, curcin, concurcin, holoramine, holoranine, colchicine, etc. And seeds contain anti-dysenterycin alkaloid. Now the Rasa Panchak. According to the Bhav Prakash Nighantu, Kutaja Katuko Ruksho Deepanah Tuvaro Hima. The rasa of Kutaj is Tikta Kashai, Guna is Laghu, Ruksha, Vipak is Katu, and Virya is Shita. These are the karma of Kutaj. Deepan, Pachan. We know what is Deepan. The Deepan, which is help in the increasing the digestive enzyme. Pachan is digestion. Sangrahi, which is helpful in digestion as well as the Deepan as well as Pachan along with the absorption. Shoshan, that means absorptive. This is absorptive. Then Rakta Pitta Hara, it is reducing the bleeding. Then Kushtagna, antidermatosis, or it is useful in skin diseases. On dosha, it is kapha pitta shamak, and on dhatu karma is rakta pitta shamak, and on mala karma it is stambhan. Indication: Arshu atisar pitashra kaf trishna am kushthanut. So again, according to Bhav Prakash, we can see that it is indicated in Arsh, that is piles, Atisar, that is diarrhea, then Raktapitta, hemorrhagic diseases, Shul, the colic pain or colic dyspepsia, then Kusht, the skin disorder, and Trishna, that is thirst. And it is also useful in worm infestation, the krimi. Now the therapeutic uses. Kutaj is best drug for diarrhea. This is according to the Ashtanga Hridaya. And the paste of seeds and bark of kutaj, honey and ativisha with rice water is useful in atisar according to Charak Chikitsa Sthan. Charak Chikitsa Sthan, we can see that it is used in Raktarsh, the bleeding piles, in the name of Kutajadi Rasakriya. And decoction of Indrayava and Kutki in rice water is used in Jwara. This is given in Harit Samhita. And according to the Bhavprakash Chikitsa Sthan, this is used in Shukra Ashmari, that is vesicle calculus. The Kutaj bark powder is given with curd along with wholesome diet to expel gravels through urethra. Next is in Kushta, the external application of paste of Kutaj, Lodra, Dhatki, Karanj and Jati. This is given in Charak Chikitsa Sthan. And decoction of Kutaj in all types of skin disease according to the Ashtanga Hridaya. And the decoction of Kutaj, Karveer and Arka externally used in Vrana. Vrana, that is wound. This is according to Charak Chikitsa Sthan. The useful parts are bark, flower, seed and leaves. And the doses are in the form of decoction or quat. Tvaka quat is 50 ml to 100 ml, and in the form of powder 3 to 6 gram. Some formulations are Kutaj Ghanavati, Kutajarist, Kutajavaleha, Mahamanjisthadi Kashayam, Stanya Shodhan Kashayam. Now the substitution and adulteration. The species Rhytia tomentosa, Rhytia tinctoria, and Rhytia zelenica is used as an adulterant or substitution of the plant kutaj. So it is according to the name, it is very much clear that botanically it is known as Hollerina antidysenterica, because it is very good drug for the atisar. It is very much clear in the name itself, anti-dysenterica. So it is useful in dysentery or diarrhea. So thank you so much for hearing me patiently, and all the best, and stay home, stay safe. Thank you.